first time since a February shooting, a 75-year-old Rock County man is formally charged in the death of his neighbor.
The Rock County Sheriff's Department's spent nearly $80,000 in overtime guarding Daniel Bellard at a Madison hospital. Margot Spann joins us now from our Rock County Bureau with the very latest for us.
That's right. Bellard will now undergo a competency exam to determine what his state of mind was when he allegedly shot his neighbor, 59-year-old Christine Gestrich. Via video conference, 75-year-old Daniel Bellard appeared before a Rock County judge. According to the criminal complaint, Bellard admitted he shot Christine Gestrich because he was concerned she'd take his land as his family prepared to sell his home.
I'm pleased for the family that we can at least begin the process of getting some closure. Obviously, the families, live next to each other and are going to have to deal with the consequence of these actions for the rest of their lives.
Until last week, Bellard was in a Madison hospital recovering from 2 self-inflicted gunshot wounds. According to the criminal complaint, in February, Gestrich came to pick up some antiques from his barn in the town of Plymouth. Investigators say that's when he shot her and turned the gun on himself.
I did not want to take the defendant into custody until his medical condition was stable enough that we could proceed with the criminal case without undergoing the cost and expenses of all the surgeries.
Now that he's in our care and our custody, then everything is on us for medical costs.
According to the sheriff's office, the 5 months deputies spent guarding Bellard's hospital room in Madison totaled more than $78,000 in overtime costs.
It's been 3 shifts, 24/7 guard duty for our deputy sheriffs. We've been very fortunate that the Dane County Sheriff's Office and the City of Janesville has assisted us with that to help defer some of the costs.
Even though the jail recently added a medical unit, the sheriff's office costs for housing Bellard will continue to rise.
Some of that equipment had to be brought in. It has to be rented to take care of him. The nursing staff, the additional nursing staff to take care of him, we've added on for that. So there will be some additional costs.
Now, Bellard is scheduled to have a competency exam within the next 15 to 30 days. The results of that will be discussed at his next court appearance, and that's scheduled for later this month.
All right, following the money for us, Margot, thanks.